All right, so in today's video, we are going to show you how to see your order history on Shop. So this is the Shop app by Shopify. And if you want to see your order history, it's very easy. If you look down at the bottom of your screen, you have 5 icons. You have home, you have notifications right here, you have your shopping cart, you have your profile at the very right corner, and then you have, well, your order history. Pretty much this is what your order history. As you can see, you're nothing to see here because we haven't ordered anything. You can connect more accounts to see your orders, and as you can see, add orders. If you tap on that, connect email and Amazon, add order manually. And if you want to see the orders that you already have gotten, it's already been delivered to you, just tap on archive here, and this is where your past orders will be. It's going to be archived because, you know, once you've gotten the package, it's going to automatically be processed and be said like, oh, it's done, it's delivered, now we can archive it. And yeah, so that's where you can find your orders. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.